seen the devastation here, and from what we've gathered so far, the likelihood is that you have illegal miners toying with explosives around this place. We've always said to people that when you see something, say something, and then the authorities will be able to do something. This is quite unfortunate. At this stage, is just to rescue anyone that is still under the rubble here, and also the people that have been taken to the hospital to give them care, and also some of the people who have their houses destroyed, provide temporary accommodation for them at hotels within the city. And then in the morning, we definitely will continue the investigation. The affected families, I'll say the government is here. We will support them in the recovery effort. But most importantly, we'll react appropriately to this incident. It's just it's devastating. It's something that it's difficult to wrap one's head around this.